What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the fact that I am going to be investing with Tesla $28,705. The reason why that specific amount, we're going to talk about that in this particular video, but the reason why I'm going to be investing that money with Tesla is because there's going to be a 3-for-1 stock split that will occur on August the 25th. I was fortunate enough to take place in the first stock split that took place, or not, maybe not the first, I don't know, but it took place in August 31st, 2020. And I'm going to show you what has occurred since then until now. At the making of this video, it's currently August the 17th or so. So I will show you guys exactly what's going on in my portfolio. But like I said, Tesla has announced a 3-to-1 split, and I will be investing $28,705 in regards to Tesla. All right. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to the stock market, man, my journey has been all over the place. But one thing that is for sure is that Tesla has been an overall good experience for me personally. So back in 2020, I think it was August the 31st in 2020, Tesla did a split, and Apple, and they both did a split on the exact same day. And I grabbed a buttload of shares in regards to Tesla and Apple. So Tesla's going to be doing another split, and it's basically 2 years later, almost exactly 2 years later. And so I was thinking to myself, well, what should I do? And it turns out that ironically, I owned a Tesla Model Y, and I decided to sell it to Carvana and got my loan paid off, and I got a lot of money back. As a matter of fact, I got back $28,705. Okay, so just to kind of show you guys and keep it honest here, because I'm a nerd in that regard, we got the paperwork here from Tesla that I sold, or that I got. So as you guys can see there, it says 11/29/2020. Okay, and then at the very bottom, it has the amount of money that I ended up paying for it, which at the time was $777.25, I think. I'm trying to read that as I'm talking to you guys. So this is actually the paper that I got when I purchased my Tesla Model Y. So that took place in November of 2020. And so fast forward to July of 2022, and I decided to sell my Model Y with Carvana. So right here, I'm going to show you guys on my cell phone. I already have a screen recording going. So as you guys can see, it says my Carvana offer was $65,738. Keep in mind that I got the Tesla for $54,000. As you can see there, I purchased it for $54,000 right there. There we go. As you can see there, I purchased it for $54,000, and my offer with Carvana was $65,738. Okay, so fast forward, I actually ended up selling my Model Y to Tesla, and the reason why, not to Tesla, to Carvana, and the reason why I'm going to be investing $28,705 is because that was what the difference ended up being after I paid off my car loan with Tesla. Or actually, I didn't pay off the car loan. Carvana paid off the car loan with the bank. Okay, so the next screen here, you guys can see that they're telling me, based on my offer minus my loan amount balance, I'm gonna get a refund for $28,705. Okay, this was actually in July. We're gonna fast forward. They're showing you that I linked my account here. I took some screenshot for you guys so that I can sell my car to Carvana. Then they're telling me 1 to 2 days, and then we're gonna fast forward. Once again, it's telling you here that there's going to be a direct deposit payment into my account, and it's going to be in the amount of $28,705. Give me a second, and I'll find the actual screenshot from when I actually got the money from my bank, or in my bank. Give me a second. Okay, right here, you guys can see that I got the payment here. You see a deposit in green, and it has Carvana payout $28,704.70. So almost $28,705, almost. Okay, so I actually have that money there, and I'm going to be transferring that money using my Weeble account. I have a position with Tesla, and I'm going to be using my Weeble account instead of my Robinhood account. So I'm going to transfer the money right now with you guys here live. So give me a second as I log into my Weeble account. Okay, I'm already logged in. Let's do, what is it here? Transfer stocks into Weeble. No, let's do deposit. And this is going to be transferring money. Okay, so it's going to be transferring to Weeble, and I'm going to transfer 28705. And of course, it has my checking account link ending in 5919. So I'm going to click on transfer to Weeble. One of the things I don't like about Weeble is the fact that it takes forever to get the money in the account. Robinhood actually gives you, they spot you the money up to a certain amount, right? Depending on how much money you have in your account. So basically they're telling me information about make sure everything is good and you actually have the money in your bank account before submitting this, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer this money here. It's loading at the bottom of the screen, as you guys can see. It's been a while. I haven't put a lot of money into my Weeble account. And so definitely this is taking a while here. It says it's loading. All right, give me a second here as this does what it's doing. But the reason I decided to jump on this opportunity is the request is being processed. So I'm gonna click on OK. And so I guess that means it's probably in the works. Just to kind of show you guys my history here as far as transfers are concerned, I have currently about $30,000 in my account. So you can see at the very bottom there's $100, and there's another transfer for $22,500, which is $22,600, then another $6,000, which is $28,600, $29,30. So I have $30,600 in my Weeble account, and then currently I just transferred right here as I'm doing the video live $28,705. So if I go back here to my assets, it's just this $25,000 that my account's currently valued is that's based on the $30,000 that I have in the account. All right, so that's that portion of this video. I wanted to show you guys that because I like to be, you know, as transparent as I can so that, you know, you guys can see what I'm up to. All right, now what I want to show you is I want to show you on my computer screen currently my portfolio. This is on Robinhood. My portfolio is $274,000 right now. That's what it's valued at. But let me show you my position with Tesla. Okay, so I only purchased Tesla when it split in August of 2020. My average cost per share is $493.39. So if I divided that by 3, that's what my average cost is going to be once the stock split occurs on Friday, August the 25th. All right, so since I've invested, let me go ahead and scroll down and show you guys that I only bought into Tesla once, that one time that they did the split back in August of 2020. All right, so here you go. This is August 31st, 2020. This is when they did the first initial split, and I invested $32,780 at the time. That was $496.68. Now that's kind of tricky because of course you see the price, $493. Okay, that particular day Tesla had ran up like $50, and I watched it, and I think I purchased it when it had gone up like $44, and it's really silly, but I should have purchased before. And then of course you see on October the 1st of 2020. The price was down a little bit, actually down quite a bit, $439. So I grabbed 4 more shares. That's it. That's the only history that I have purchasing Tesla on my Robinhood account. So altogether, I have about $34,000 invested with Tesla on my Robinhood account. So as you can see here, August the 31st, 2020, and then today, which almost 2 years later, my current return with Tesla is I'm up 86%, which is $29,000. Now, of course, Tesla at one point was trading for like $1,200. What was it, back in March? I don't know. Let me see here. In January, they're trading for $11.99. They were trading for $1,200 over here. Okay, in November of 2021. So I've had a good experience with Tesla. So like for me, it should be a no-brainer. I should be like, yeah, let's go. You know what I mean? Like if they're doing a stock split, the stock split is not necessarily that big of a deal. because you're not getting any more shares than you would if the stock was $900. But a lot of people see that, okay, the stock is cheaper now, I can finally get some shares of Tesla. It's not any more valuable or less valuable for that matter. But anyway, I wanted to make this video and let you guys know I'm going to be investing the $28,705 on my Weeble account. I may not invest all of it at one time because I'm not sure. Every time that I purchase stocks, the stock price always goes down. That's just classic. Every single time it happens for me. But I wanted to share this with you guys because I want y'all to know what I'm thinking about doing and what I'm actually gonna do. So I think it's gonna take like 5 days for that money to clear in my Weeble account before I can actually use it. So that's the only thing that, once again, sucks about Weeble. Like, if I had done the transfer on Robinhood, it would have been instant because I have $50,000 or more in my Robinhood account. So Robinhood will spot you up to $50,000 instantly when you transfer money into the Robinhood account. Even though it's not going to clear your bank instantly, they'll still spot you the money. So anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to keep you guys posted as to what occurs and what I decide to do in regards to purchasing more shares of Tesla. All right, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.